In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix two of the most common problems you'll have with your Dyson handheld. So this is a V6 Animal, but this is a really common problem on all of the Dyson handhelds. Well, there's three main problems with these. One, the battery packs will die and they'll need to be replaced. That's really easy. There's just a screw and then it just comes out and you replace it. So that's the main thing. You'll find that your battery runtime won't last long, and when you charge it, your blue flashing light will give you a amount of flashes telling you what the fault is, but we're not going to do that today. The main common problem that I've seen with these is the bin lid. As you're hoovering with them, the motion of this moving up and down here makes the bin lid drop open. This is really easy to fix. I actually got this Dyson for free because the two faults were wrong with this one and they're just thrown it away, and I fixed both of them. So for the bin lid, all you'll need to repair this is some super glue and some bicarbonate of soda. If you can see, all you need to do is with some bicarbonate of soda and super glue, put some super glue in where this catch is, and then pour some bicarbonate of soda over the top of it, and then what happens is it forms like an acrylic paste. If I can even get this into there. And the other thing these do is the pulsing. So if your Dyson's pulsing, all that means is the motor is telling you that there's a blockage. The blockage will most commonly, if you took the pipe off and it still does it, the blockage will be up here. And this is the filter. See, this is an odd designed filter, because instead of it having the really large surface area on the outside as the filter area, it actually pulls the dirt in here and then it sits in this cone and it fills up in the bottom. And even though when you wash these, you're told to take them out and wash them, people don't take them apart. All you need to do to take them apart, you can see these catches here. You just lift this up, and this is so quick and simple to do. You can just pop these out. You just need to do this all the way around, and then when you wash this out, and you take this off, and then you'll find this is full of crud and crap. And if you wash this, this is just going to go hard and block the bottom of this sock up even more. You want your sock to be like this, completely clear. You can see through there, you can actually see the sunlight. So you want to make sure this is totally cleaned up. This is a real common problem with these Dysons. People just wash these on the outside and never get all the junk out the inside, and these really do get junked up because the cone shape, it just fills up in the bottom and then just fills up, and then you only end up with half your sock with any filter left in it, and then the Dyson can't suck. This will reduce your battery life, and it will also cause your Hoover to pulse. If it's doing it, also check your pipe work and your end. So just pop that back in there once you've cleaned it and dried it all. That's your only filter on the handheld, and then after that you should then find that your Dyson runs as it should, and you should then be able to hoover without dropping the contents all over the floor. So there you go, how to fix your Dyson handheld for free. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.